Okay, let us see what the next sum says. A fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both the numerator and the denominator. If 3 is added to both the numerator and the denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. Find the numbers. So you have to find the numbers, and the number is a fraction. So what is a fraction? It should have numerator and it should have denominator. We don't know what is the fraction. So let us take that x by y is a fraction. So solution. Let x by y be the fraction. Okay. What it says that 2 should be added. So 2 is added to both numerator and denominator. It becomes 9 by 11. So what is our fraction? X is there, it is in the numerator. 2 you add to it, y is in the denominator, 2 you add to it, it should become equal to 9 by 11. So what shall we do? Cross multiplication. So 11 in the bracket, x plus 2 is equal to 9 in the bracket, y plus 2. So we take out from the bracket. 11 into x is 11x plus 11 2s are 22 is equal to 9 into y is 9y plus 9 2s are 18. Now what we have to do? We have to keep x and y one side and numbers on other side. So what shall we get? 11x minus 9y is equal to 18 minus 22, that is equal to minus 4. This is the first equation. Now let us go to the second equation. How to make the second equation? What is told? If 3 is added to both the numerator and denominator. So 3 is added to both numerator and denominator. Okay, what will happen? It becomes, so it becomes, how much it becomes? It becomes 5 by 6. So what shall we do now? X by y is our number. So take x, add 3 to it in the numerator, denominator y is there, add 3 to it, it will become 5 by 6. Again we are going to do cross multiplication. Means what we are going to do? 6 in the bracket, x plus 3 is equal to 5 in the bracket, y plus 3. So we will remove from the bracket. 6 into x is how much? 6x plus 6 3s are 18 is equal to 5 into y is how much? 5y plus 5 3s are 15. So y we will take on the left hand side and 18 we will take on the right hand side. So what shall you get? 6x minus 5y is equal to 15 minus 18. So 6x minus 5y is equal to 15 minus 18 is minus 3. This is your equation number 2. Now we will compare both the equations. 11x minus 9y is equal to minus 4. 6x minus 5y is equal to minus 3. So what shall we take? 6x we will take because its coefficient is less. So with this value we will find out. What we will find out? We will find out the value of x. So we shall take it as so 6x minus 5y. So 6x minus 5y is equal to minus 3. So x I will keep it on left hand side. So 6x is equal to minus 3. When 5y will go, minus 5y will go at that side, it will become plus 5y. Now what is the value of x? X is equal to minus 3 plus 5y divided by 6. So this is your x value. Now what we have to do? We are going to substitute this value. So substitute value of x in which equation? Equation 2 we took, so we are going to substitute the value of x in equation 1. What is your equation 1? 11x minus 9y is equal to minus 4. So the x value 11 in the bracket minus 3 plus 5y whole divided by 6. Again minus 9y is there, don't forget, is equal to minus 4. So what we are going to do? 11 we are going to multiply with minus 3 and 11 we are going to multiply with 5y. 11 into minus 3 minus 33. Then plus 11 5s are 55. Then what is there? Minus 9y. Okay, and here whole, so minus 33 plus 55y whole divided by 6 minus 9y is equal to minus 4. Nothing is there means 1 is there. So what? We have 2 now. 6 is the LCM over here. So 1 is there, I told you cross multiply. Minus 33 plus 55 into 1 will be minus 33 plus 55y. Okay. Then what you have to do? 6 into 9 minus 9 6 are 54y whole divided by 6 will remain as it is equal to minus 4. Plus 55 minus 54, plus is that is greater number is 55, smaller number is 54. If you subtract, y will come, greater number is positive, so minus 33 plus y whole divided by 6 is equal to minus 4. So 1 you will take. Now what you are going to do? Again you are going to cross multiply. So minus 33 plus y will remain as it is equal to 6 into minus 4 minus 24. So what y you will get? Y is equal to minus 24 plus 33. So what you will get? Y is equal to 33 minus 24 is what? 9. So you got it as y is equal to 9. Now this y value I will take in the value of x, substitute it, and I will try to find out what is the value of x. So what shall I get? X is equal to minus 3 plus 5y whole divided by 6. So 9 value is equal to minus 3 plus 5 into 6 whole divided by 5 into 9 whole divided by 6 is equal to minus 3 plus 5 9s are, how much is 5 9s are? 5 9s are 45 whole divided by 6. From 45, 3 subtracted, you will get 2 whole divided by 6. In 6 table, 42 is there. 6 1s are, 6 7s are is equal to 7. So you got x is equal to 7, y is equal to 9. What is your fraction? So fraction is equal to x by y. What is the x value? X value is 7. What is the y value? 7 by 9. So what is the number? So you will write it down. The fraction is equal to 7 by 9. So he has told to find out what is the fraction. Once again, let us see what happens over here. He has not given the fraction. What is meant by fraction? Fraction means a number which is having numerator and denominator. Okay. So let us see what is we have to take in numerator and what we have to take in denominator. We have to suppose, let x by y, means x is in the numerator and y is in the denominator, be the fraction. First what he says, 2 is added. 2 is added to what? 2 is added to the numerator also and 2 is added to the denominator also. Then what your number will become 9 by 11. That means in a numerator, if I add x plus 2 and in denominator if I add y plus 2, then x plus 2 divided by y plus 2 is equal to 9 by 11. So what shall we do? Cross multiplication. So 11 in the bracket x plus 2 is equal to 9 in the bracket y plus 2. I will remove from the bracket 11 into x is 11x plus 11 into 2 is 22 is equal to 9 into y is 9y plus 9 into 2 is 18. So what shall I get? Now what we have to do? We have to keep in the form of a1x plus b1y is equal to c1. So y I will bring on left hand side and the number I will take on right hand side. So plus 9y is there. So 11x minus 9y is equal to 18 is given as it is, plus 22 will become minus 22. So it will become equal to minus 4. So your first equation is 11x minus 9y is equal to minus 4. Let us go to the second condition what he has given. If 3 is added to both the numerator and the denominator. So 3 is added. So and what yours the number will become 5 by 6. So to x you are going to add 3, to y you are going to add 3. X plus 3 divided by y plus 3 is equal to 5 by 6. What you are going to do? Again cross multiplication. When 6 you are going to multiply with x plus 3 and 5 you are going to multiply with y plus 3. So 6 into x, 6x plus sine 6 into 3, 18 is equal to 5 into y, 5y plus sine 5 into 3, 15. Bring 5y on the left hand side and take 18 on the other side. 6x minus 5y, because plus 5y will become minus 5y is equal to 15, plus 18 will become minus 18. 6x minus 5y is equal to minus 3 is your second equation. 6 is the least, what you call it as a coefficient. So we will take this equation. 6x minus 5y is equal to minus 3. So 6x is equal to minus 3. Minus 5y will go that side, become plus 5y. X is equal to 6 will come in the denominator. Minus 3 plus 5y divided by 6. What you are going to do? You are going to substitute the value of x in equation 1. Write down what is the equation 1. 11x minus 9y is equal to minus 4. So in place of x you are going to write it down. 11 you keep it outside the bracket. In the bracket minus 3 plus 5y whole divided by 6. Don't forget the 6 is there. Minus 9y is equal to minus 4. So what shall you get? 11 into minus 3 is minus 33. Plus sign will remain as it is. 11 into 5 is 55. Whole divided by 6 minus 9y is equal to minus 1. Nothing is there means 1. So here also the LCM will become 6. So cross multiply. So minus 33 plus 55y minus 9 6 are 54y whole divided by 6 is equal to minus 4. Plus 55y minus 54y you will get plus y. So minus 33 plus y whole divided by 6 is equal to minus 4. Nothing is there means 1. Cross multiply. So minus 33 plus y into 1 will become minus 33 plus y is equal to minus sign you keep it as it is. So what shall you get it as? 6 4s are 24. So you will get it as minus 24. Now minus 33 you are going to take that side means it will become plus 33. Y is equal to minus 24 plus 33. So y is equal to 9. This value I am going to substitute in this equation. So x is equal to minus 3 plus 5y by 6. So it is equal to minus 3 plus 5 in the bracket 9. Whole divided by 6 is equal to minus 3. 9 5s are 45 plus 45 whole divided by 6. 45 minus 3 is 42. 42 by 6. 6 7s are 42 is equal to 7. X value got it as 7. Y value got it as 9. Fraction. What is the fraction? X by y is equal to 7 by y. So the fraction is equal to 7 by 9. So you came to know what it is. So the answer is 7 by 9. Let us see the last sum in this exercise 3.3. What is given? 5 years hence, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. 5 years ago, the age of Jacob will be 7 times that of his son. What are the present ages? Hence and ago. Hence means that is after 5 years. Ago means before 5 years. So remember, hence means after and ago means before. So what is given? 5 years hence the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. 5 years ago. Ago and hence you be careful. Ago means the whatever the age was before. Hence means whatever the age will be after. Find the present ages. So we don't know what are the ages. So let us suppose that let the ages of Jacob and his son be X and Y. Okay, that means the age of Jacob is X and the age of son is Y. X and Y. Now, what we have to take, the first clause is given 5 years hence. 5 years hence. Means what? 5 years should be added to Jacob's age also, and 5 years should be added to his son's age also. 5 years hence, what Jacob was? Jacob, 5 years hence, Jacob will be 3 times the age of his son. That means 5 years hence means I will write down X for Jacob and is equal to Y for his son. 5 years hence means after 5 years. Now suppose you are now 14 years. After 5 years, how many years you will become? So you are going to add 14 plus 5 is equal to 19. Same way over here. So you are going to add 5 to both, to Jacob's age also and to son's age also. Now what you have to do? What happens? The Jacob is 3 times the age of his son. Means he is 3 times. If Jacob's age is 30, so 5 years afterwards it will become 35. And what it will become? 3 times the age of the son. So you have to multiply the age of the son with 3. That will become the age of the Jacob. Got it? 3 times. So what you have to do? First you add 5 years to the age of Jacob, 5 years to the age of his son, and Jacob and son relationship is given. Jacob is 3 times, means whatever the age of the son comes, with that if you multiply with 3, then that age will become the Jacob's. Now what you got the equation now you see. X plus 5 is equal to 3 into, you multiply 3 into y is 3y. Plus will remain as it is. 3 5s are 15. Now what shall I do? 3y I will bring to the left hand side and 5 I will take to the right hand side. So x minus 3y is equal to 15 minus 5. 15 minus 5 is how much? 10. So this is your equation number 1. So what you got it as? X minus 3y is equal to 10. Now let us see the next clause given. So what is the next clause given? 5 years ago. Ago means before. What happened? Jacob's age was how many times? 7 times. Whose age? 7 times the age of his son. So again we write it down. X is for the Jacob is equal to Y is for the son. 5 years ago means before. So if you are, same example I take, if you are 15 years, 5 years ago means 5 years before. Okay, what age will be yours? Means what you have to do? From 15 you subtract 5. So here also from x I am going to subtract 5 and from y I am going to subtract 5. And how much Jacob was? 7 times. So what is the age of the son? Y minus 5. If you multiply by 7, it will become the Jacob's age. So what we will get? One more equation. X minus 5 is equal to, remove from the bracket, 7 into y is 7y. Then minus 7 5s are 35. Let it be like that only. So what shall you get? X minus 5 is equal to 7y minus 35. Now 7y you bring it on the left hand side, 5 you take it on the what you call it as right hand side. So x minus 7y is equal to minus 35 plus 5. So x minus 7y is equal to minus 30. This is your second equation. I will take the first equation for getting the value of x. So what is the first equation? X minus 3y is equal to 10. So x I will keep it on which side? On the left hand side. So x is equal to 10 plus 3y. Okay, I got it. Now, what I will do? I will substitute the value of x in. What I am going to substitute the value of x? I am going to substitute the value of x in equation 2. What is the equation 2? X minus 7y is equal to minus 30. So I am going to substitute it. So x remains as it is. X value what it is given? 10 plus 3y minus 7y is equal to minus 30. Okay. Now, plus 3y minus 7y, they are the like terms. So what shall you do? You will subtract and keep the greater number sign. 10 will remain as it is. Plus 3y minus 7y means 7 minus 3 is 4. So minus 4y is equal to minus 30. So now what you are going to do? We are going to take 10 on the other side. So minus 4y is equal to minus 30 minus 10, because 10 is plus over here. So minus 30 minus 10, two negative numbers when added, you have to keep the negative sign. So minus 4y is equal to minus 40. Minus minus sign cancels. So y is equal to 40 by 4. 4 ones are, 4 tens are. So y is equal to 10 you got. Now y is equal to 10. This value you are going to substitute over here where x you got it. So what shall we write it down? X is equal to 10 plus 3y. So x is equal to 10 plus what it is? 3 into 10. So x is equal to 10 plus 3 tens are 30. So x is equal to 40. So what you got it as? 10 years and 40 years. Means whose age is 40 years and whose age is 10 years? Let us see. We have suppose, let the age of Jacob and his son be x and y. Means Jacob's age is x and son's age is y. So what shall you get the final answer? So you can write it down that Jacob's age is equal to 40 years. Son's age is equal to 10 years. So once again I will explain you this sum. Here the relationship with the ages of father and son is given. Keep in mind that father's age will be always more than the son's age. Okay, sometimes you will make mistakes in such a way that father's age will come less and son's age will come more. You have to understand what is given in the statement. 5 years hence, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. 5 years ago, the age of Jacob was 7 times that of his son. What are the present ages? So we don't know what are the ages. So let the ages of Jacob and his son be X and Y. That is, Jacob's age is X years and son's age is Y years. So first condition, 5 years hence, Jacob will be 3 times the age of his son. Hence means after. Means you have to add. So X is Jacob's age and Y is son's age. So to X I am going to add 5. Same way to Y also I am going to add 5. But what is the relation over given? Father is 3 times the son of the age. Means you have to multiply 3 with the son's age, not with the father's age. So X plus 5 is equal to 3 into Y plus 5. So X plus 5 will remain as it is equal to 3Y. 3 into Y is 3Y plus sign, 3 5s are 15. Now 3Y I will take it on the other side and 5 I will take it on the right hand side. So plus 3Y will become minus 3Y. So X minus 3Y is equal to 15 minus 5 is equal to 10. So first equation we got it. X minus 3Y is equal to 10. Second condition is given. 5 years ago, Jacob's age was 7 times the age of his son. 5 years ago means back you have to go. So you have to subtract 5 from the Jacob's age and from the son's age. So X minus 5 is equal to 7 in the bracket Y minus 5 because he will be 7 times. So 7 times means if you multiply the age of the son with 7, that much will become the father's age. So X minus 5 is equal to 7 into Y minus 5. I will remove from the bracket over here. X minus 5 will remain as it is. 7 into Y is 7Y. Minus sign remains as it is. 7 into 5 is 35. So X minus 5 is equal to 7Y minus 35. So 7Y I will bring it on the left hand side and 5 I will take it on the right hand side. Minus 5 it is. So X plus 7y will become minus 7y is equal to minus 35 will remain as it is, minus 5 will become plus 5. So x minus 7y is equal to minus 30. So I will take the first equation to find out the value of x. So x minus 3y is equal to 10. So x is equal to 10 minus 3y will become plus. So 10 plus 3y. Substitute the value of x in the equation 2. So equation 2 is x minus 7y is equal to minus 30. So x value is 10 plus 3y minus 7y is equal to minus 30. 10 will remain as it is, plus 3y minus 7y. If you calculate, you will get minus 4y is equal to minus 30. So what shall I do? I will take 10 on the other side. So minus 4y is equal to minus 30 minus 10. Minus 4y is equal to minus 40. Minus minus sign cancels. Y is equal to 40 by 4. Y is equal to 10 years. So y is whose years? Son's age. So son's age is 10 years. X is the father's age. So we have to find out father's age. So we will take the equation. X is equal to 10 plus 3y. X is equal to 10 plus 3 into 10. X is equal to 10 plus 30. X is equal to 40 years. Means Jacob's age is 40 years and son's age is 10 years. This is how we have to solve the sum based on years. So be careful. Years means father will be more, son will be less. If mother and daughter is given, mother's age will be more, daughter's age will be less. So how many times will be given, that you have to see. How the time, if 3 times, 5 times, 6 times is given, that you have to multiply either with the son's age or either with the daughter's age, because that is the correct way. The father is more 3 times, means whatever the son's age is there, with son's age if you multiply by 3, you will get the father's age. So this is how you have to calculate the sum. You see? Oh,